We are on day 3, the morning of it now, and we've woken up to this. Storm clouds, windy, rough. It was supposed to be coming through this afternoon or early tomorrow morning, but looks like it's came a day early, so we're gonna have to go get some service because we haven't had service in a couple of days. We've got to drive most of the way, probably about 20 k's to go and get service, so we can go check the weather. That's too windy. Get back under the tent. Far out. Yeah, so we had a bit of rain first thing this morning. We've gone and collected our gear, tidied it up from over on the cliff there. And yeah, I think today is going to be inside the island day. No good for outside because that swell is building. Oh, that's a big wave coming through just there. Whoa. Yeah. Inside the island day for us today. We're going to cook up some breakfast, pack the gear, and then go for a drive way over on the inside of the island and try and find some fish there with the offshore wind that's blowing through. And hopefully we can make something of today instead of sitting at camp and doing nothing. We have walked across from where we parked the car, and we're gonna go fish some of these little bays down here. It's crystal clear, super calm on the inside here today. We're gonna go fish down off these little rocky edges and these little bays and little ledges the whole way along. We've got a couple of k's to explore, so head down there and see what we can come up with. First cast on the bait junkie. Whoop. Oh, a little shark cruising there. Little emperor. Off he goes. Sharks are zooming around, have a look. Anyway. Let's go for a cast that way. Or bait fish scattering when that landed. Yep. Whoa. That's a bit better. Oh, that felt better. I've got to bring him past a shark now. Shark. Yeah, there's a shark right here. Awesome. He's coming in behind the shark. Whoa. He's going hard. Another bit bigger black snapper this time. Bit bigger blackie. On the bait junkie minnow, 2 fish and 2 casts. This is better. This is better. This heaps better. Oh, get out of there. Oh, whoa, much better black snapper. Far out. Oh, jeez. Oh, what a mission that was. It's a heaps better blackie. Far out. On 10 pound, that gives you a run for your money over the shallows. Look at the tuskies. There's a couple of bigger tuskies down there. Are they tailor or are they mullet? No, they're mullet. They're mullet. Wow. That is cool. Yeah, I'll find it now. Move on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, just smacked it. Little emperor. Oh, Dave, Josh, there's a big snapper behind him. There's a big snapper behind, there was just a big snapper behind this guy. That's another one trying to eat the same lure out of his mouth, but there was a big snapper. So that's it, that's a little blackie, but there was a big pinky. I just seen. Oh, I just seen, yeah, like a 70 centimeter snapper. We are hiking across to the next little spot. We're gonna go fish off this little rocky point. Looks absolutely insane. The water is so clear. Oh, it looks magic. We just gotta climb down this bit of a cliff here. Looks a little sketchy, but we'll get down the bottom and see what it looks like. Oh, this looks absolutely amazing. Nice deep water, heaps of reef and coral by the looks. Everything's wet. Yeah, this is the spot. Oh, we got heaps of room. Set up here and call this home for a few hours. Stay there. I got a cast, got a cast. Probably gonna catch a Charlie Court. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no, 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 get out, get out, get out, get out. I'm gonna get smoked here. Oh. Stop. Oh, he's got an estuary cod trying to eat him too. Oh, look at that. Jet, catch that. Throw your thing in. Whoa, he's trying to eat it, actually trying to eat it. Quick, drop it down in front of him.
Fuck, it's tailed on us.
No, the estuary cod's gone. Hook out, little minnow. Beautiful black snapper. Whoa! What is that? What is it, Adam? Is that a tailor?
No, it's got half a load.
Yeah, tailor, eh?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That is
mackerel.
Mackerel.
Hey, first mackie of the trip.
Fucking mackerel. There's your lunch, smoked mackerel for lunch.
Yeah, there's smoked mackerel for lunch.
That size?
Yeah, they're only going to be 50, those ones.
50?
Yeah.
500?
Yeah. I'll let you deal with that.
Oh, cheers. Let me deal with the teethy thing.
Yeah, teethy thing with all the hook points.
Yeah, 3 separate hooks coming out.
Yeah, it loves it. Well, today didn't go as planned. It was raining a little bit this morning and it has not stopped. So we are all hiding in the tents, trying to get out of the rain. The wind's nice, fishing's nice. I would like to be fishing up over there somewhere, but too much rain. I don't feel like getting that wet. Well, while it's windy and rainy and it's really rough, we are out having a look around camp, exploring. We found our own private swimming pool with a waterfall that flows into it. Pretty cool. This would be from water on the other side, splashing up on the cliffs and then running down. And it runs all the way back down into the other pools and then back into the water on the other side. Pretty awesome. Whoa, look at that pool. There's like a proper sized swimming pool here. No way. We're gonna go over there and have a look. That's good, that's really good. Good Spango. Not a bad Spango.
First cast?
What? First cast out this way, yeah. On little stick bait. Oh, he's earned his freedom. Whoa. Off he goes. That wasn't very graceful. Yep. Ah, pulled hooks. Yep. Oh, Jet, that's big. Go, Jet. Jet's on. That's a big fish, dude. That's proper big.
That's Taylor.
Taylor? Nah, I reckon trevally. Oh, no, mackerel. I don't know. Might be a mackerel. It's a mackerel.
Oh, you stayed hooked as well.
Wait up. Walk back. Sorry.
That's a good one.
Jet's got a mackerel.
First mackerel.
Little mackerel, man.
First mackerel ever.
Nice work. Cool. Watch your fingers. I'll get those hooks out for you.
Just started with one. I've got my phone in my pocket. In my right pocket. Okay, chuck. Yep.
Well, with the swell hammering the outside of the island, we're on the inside at the moment. We're gonna go for a dive. It's pretty windy. I'd say it's gonna be pretty dirty, but there's a little reef off here that I haven't dove before, but I've checked it out on maps. I reckon it should hold some fish, so we'll go have a look. Hopefully the water's clean enough to see. But yeah, it's terrible weather, windy and rain, but we'll jump in, see what we can find and see if it's worth it. Just got out of the water, took Jet, first time in the water with a spear gun, properly shooting stuff. Got him a couple of fish. Adam got some good fish. That's our haul. Couple of tuskies, big coral trout, nice black spotted cod, Malabar cod, and a couple of the orange spotted cod or estuary cod, and a nice Spanish flag. Pretty decent haul, boys. We'll head back to camp and sort these out, but made the most of pretty average weather today, I reckon.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh, we are reaching the end of day 4 and had a hard day today. Went and got some little fish in the shallows inside. The swell has been absolutely pumping and I am at probably one of the coolest places I have ever been. This is ridiculous. So we've walked up from camp and we've got a little pool with a waterfall. That is so cool. The swell's so big, it feeds a big pool on the other side and then it flows into the river, into a pool here, and then runs down like a river down the bottom of the valley down there past our camp. That's epic. Look at this one.